Unlocking the mysteries of the Moon, the International Lunar Research Station. The Moon, our planet's constant companion, holds secrets yet to be discovered. The International Lunar Research Station beckons us to return. Established as a global collaboration, the station embodies humanity's collective ambition. It's not just a mission, it's our shared destiny. Imagine humans and robots working together, unraveling lunar mysteries. This isn't science fiction, but the very real future we're building. The station will serve as a hub for scientific research, technology testing, and potential resource harvesting. It's a stepping stone to the cosmos. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. For by understanding the Moon, we unlock deeper knowledge about our own planet. Join us on this remarkable journey. The International Lunar Research Station, a testament to what we can achieve together. It's our moonshot.